In this session, let us learn about HTML headings. HTML headings. HTML headings are titles or subtitles that you want to display on a web page. HTML headings are defined with the H1 to H6 tags. H1 defines the most important heading, H6 defines the least important heading. Note, browsers automatically add some white space, a margin before and after a heading. Headings are important. Search engines use the headings to index the structure and content of your web pages. Users often skip a page by its headings. It is important to use headings to show the document structure. H1 headings should be used to main headings, followed by H2 headings, then the less important H3 and so on. Note, use HTML headings for headings only. Don't use headings to make text big or bold. See the example. Code and result. See here code, doc type HTML body, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. See here the result returns this. See H1 is big one and H6 is very small. Bigger headings. Each HTML heading has a default size. However, you can specify the size for any heading with a style attribute using the CSS font size property. See the example, doc type HTML body. See here H1 style is equal to font size 50 pixels, heading 1. See, you can change the size of heading with the style attribute using the font size property. See here the result is the heading is big. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 6 headings. In next video, let us learn about another topic, HTML paragraphs. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.